Look at that! The cute little face is showing up so nicely! Hi everyone! Today we are going to make a super popular pudding featuring Chiikawa, loved not just in Japan, but all around the world. You can make such a cute pudding with this. And inside, you get one of three characters, Chiikawa, Hachiware, or Usagi. I'm so excited to see which one we get. The instructions are clearly written on the back of the box. Alright, let's open it up. I can't wait! Inside, we have the pudding mix and we got the Chiikawa! Oh my gosh! Isn't it seriously cute? It's a solid little stamp style piece. We also have the caramel sauce included. First, get your mug ready. Now, pour in the pudding mix. Then, measure out some milk. Cold milk, it already looks tasty. Pour it into the mug and mix it well. Even though the milk is cold, the powder dissolved nicely. Now, let's heat it up in the microwave. Just like this. It's really hot now. Actually, it boiled over a bit in the microwave, but no worries. It smells so sweet and delicious. Give it another good stir and let it cool a little. Next, pour it into the pudding mold. The texture is really smooth. Looks perfect! Can't wait! Now, it goes into the fridge to chill. And it's set! Look at that! The surface looks great too! Nice and firm, and a little jiggly. Time to remove it from the mold with a toothpick. I'm a bit nervous since I'm not used to this, but maybe it's better to go all at once. The toothpick slides right in, maybe around here. Let's flip it onto a plate. Carefully so it doesn't break. Give it a little push. Wow! It came out perfectly. Looks so yummy. Now for the best part. Let's stamp the Chiikawa face on top. This is the most important step. Deep breath. It's tricky to get the pressure just right. How about this? Wow! The stamp came out so clean. You can really see it well from the different angles. Looks amazing! Now, there is the caramel sauce. This should help the Chiikawa face pop even more. Let's squeeze it all out. Then spread it with a spoon. Look at that! The cute little face is showing up so nicely. This is just too adorable. And with that, Chiikawa pudding is done! It's easy, cute, and looks so tasty. What more could you want? Alright, time to taste it. いただきます。Oh, so exciting! It's looking great! Wow, delicious! The milk and caramel flavors go so well together. It's really gentle and sweet. I totally recommend this. On this channel, I introduce fun DIY candy kits like this. I'll be uploading lots more, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!